guys! Good morning! So ngayon ay yes day ng mga bata dahil may reward si Kali. We are on our way sa Nariland Town Center.
Mom, to the place where I'm gonna buy my toys and also my iPad.
So guys, tapos na ako mag-makeup. Dito na lang ako nag-makeup sa sasakyan. Nagmamadali na kami kanina dahil gutom na kami. Doon na lang kami kakain sa Nariland Town Center. Kakain kaya doon na lang. Why ate not in the mood? Ah, sleepy. Ikaw, Alice, are you sleepy? Patingin ang sleepy. Wow, yung walang sleepy. Ayun guys. So, traffic ngayon. Ngayon ako naka-experience ng traffic. Kasi traffic light. Hi guys, andito na kami sa mall. Nakain muna kami. Gutom na ako guys. Hindi kasi kami nag-lunch sa bahay. So dito na lang kami sa mall magla-lunch. So dati naiingit ako kasi wala akong ka-holding hands while walking. Dahil mami na ako, ayan, meron na ako laging hawak-hawak ang kamay. Hanap muna kami ng makakainan. Pwede dun sa mga bata. We're going to film Mama.
Say hi, Alexi.
Nauna na akong kumain kasi daddy na order pa ng food ng mga bata. Namiss ko kasi yung Chinese na pagkain. Ayan. Ang hirap talagang kumain sa labas kapag may mga kasama kayong bata na napaka-choosy. Iba-iba kami ng gusto. Si daddy gusto niya yung mga Indian food, mga curry, mga ganon, mga wrap, ganon yung kinakain niya. Ako naman gusto ko Chinese food. Tapos yung mga bata naman gusto lang talaga nila chips at saka ice cream. So imagine that. Kaya talaga kumakain kami yung sa ganitong maraming choices. Hirap kumain sa isang restaurant tapos wala silang kakainin. So dito kami kumakain. So marami na siyang choices. Iba-iba kasi kami ng gusto. Oh, show mommy how do you eat a burger. Ang laki na ni Alex eh. ka kumain ng burger?
Because I want to.
You're finishing the top. From top to bottom. It's not how you eat a burger properly, Alex. Look. Kinain niya muna yung tinapay bago niya kainin yung nasa ilalim. Ang messy mo tuloy. Do you like it?
Ginagawang Oreo.
Ginagawa Oreo. Kinakain niya muna yung tinapay, tamo. Grabe dati, ang laki niyan. Kaya mo pa ba? Sugar 200.
Don't underestimate him. Or you, Gigi.
Bakit ka underestimate si Daddy?
Because he can finish a whole bowl of
Oh.
that. A whole bowl of more noodles than I can.
Zero sugar. Pero ang pagkain, puro sugar.
That's 200 sugar.
Hindi ko na maubos, ang dami. Small lang yata to, pero ang dami. Dami ng serving nila dito palagi. Are you done with the burger? Wow! Naubusan niyo na yung burger?
What's the burger?
Lahat? Pati yung laman? Galing kumain ni Alex E.
Look, Mom. Ta-da! I like this.
You like Samsung? Charlie doesn't like Apple. Daddy's checking out Apple. Don't you like to try it? Ah, you want Samsung? Okay. Why don't you like Apple? Even if it has a pen.
Because I like this more because it's easier to use. It's more complicated if it's Apple.
Okay. You're the boss.
It's yes cake.
So dito kami sa Office Works, guys. Naulan, naulan. See? Oh, there's so much. Yeah. See all the paints in here.
Hey, where's the paint?
And also paper.
Where's the paper? Oh, I found the paper, but where's the paint? Oh, cool. Cool.
See?
That's cool. They have stamps.
Daddy, look.
Wow. That's cool.
Hanapin mo na habang nadidistract pa tong mga
Mom,
bata.
I want that.
Yeah.
I want
See?
that. I want that one. Ooh, these are rubbers.
Cool.
I found something.
What is this?
It's pen.
So much pens in here.
Come on, this is pens. I need markers.
Meron?
Dad found something. Look, Dad found something. So Peter, wow, you need that. I need that. Mom, look, it's soft Play-Doh. Mom, I need that. Oh, let's see. Mom, look, it's molding dry clay. Yes. It's molding clay that you can kind of
But it's for girls.
I don't need
I think this is the one. This is the washable paint.
washable paint. Is that enough? I think no.
I think this is a cow, Alex. This is a cow?
That's not a cow. Yeah, that's a goat.
Or what?
It's a cat that stuck its head in the
How about this one, Alex? Yeah.
Mom, I want that.
You want this one?
Yeah. He wants a sloth.
Yeah, go try it. It's heavy.
That's fine. I'm strong.
But it's heavy. It has sand on it. It's dangerous for you.
Can it bring me to the car as well? This is Pete, the panda, and my brother has Sloppy the sloth.
What's the name of your pet?
Sloppy. Because he's also. Okay. Hi, so I'm gonna unbox my new iPad, and my mom already did it, so I'm just gonna unbox my new game that I have. Mom's gonna cut it.
Yeah, because it's dangerous for kids.
Yes,
Okay.
it is.
Oh, wait.
There's one here too. There's a full one.
Kasi you don't touch the cutter by yourself because it's not for kids.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have to do it like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Da-da-da-da. Plop. Ooh, cool. Cool. Now let's remove this. Cool. Look. Look. The cards. Why do we need a dice actually? Bandit, bingo. Okay, look. There's money. Now I'm rich. Okay, look. There's a dice.
Kailangan yata ng
Ate, there's a dice. So here's the cards, like these kind of random cards that you usually see. See, look, it's the money. There's money everywhere. We're rich. Yeah, we're rich. No, we are not. This is just paper money. It's not real money. So we're just putting that aside, and also with the dice. And now the game board. Whoa! Mom, look at this thing. It's cool. I'm just gonna get the statues out. Wow! Bingo,
Lobat yata yung phone niya.
Bluey, Chili, and Bandit. These are the Bluey characters. This is Bingo. This is Bluey. This is Chili, their mom, and Bandit, their dad. Cool, isn't it?
But what are these pages?
So the game board's here.
But how?
Ooh, this is exciting, everybody! Wow! Look at the game board, guys.
It's
Look
just
at
stickers on it.
Really cool, isn't it?
Bingo, Chili, Bluey, a bandit, and me.
Cool, isn't it? Really cool, right?
Oh, that was so.
Let's put the game board aside, and I'll get this out. Cool, what are these for, Mom?
You have to figure it out.
Instructions!
You read the instruction.
Okay. I have to do these pots together. Okay, I understand now. Set it up. Choose someone to be the banker. They're in charge of the bank's dollar bucks. Banker gives each player dollar bucks to start the game. Hand out dollar bucks, expanding on the numbers of players. 2 players, 20 each. 3 players, 18 each. 4 players, 16 each. The banker can also... So I have to pop out these things.
I'm watching my TV right now.
Oh, let's see, that is not a TV. Okay, so we have to pop out these things and now put them in a pile. I
You have
understand.
ate to pop it out. Come on.
But do not ruin anything and just wait there until I say.
Oh, help mo siya. Help mo siya.
Whoa, whoa.
You have to press this, Alex, like this. Just press it like that.
Yeah, like that. Don't damage them, okay? Let's try no, that. Now pop out the bluey ones. Make sure they land in your hands, okay? There, I'll set it up. The dice goes here. The banker gets all the money. The banker has the money. I'm just putting all the money. Okay, I'm gonna choose someone to be the banker for just a little while.
But who's the players?
Me, you, and Mom and Dad are the players, and one of them is gonna be the banker. Wait there until I say stop.
Hi guys, nakauwi na kami sa bahay at ito lahat ng nabili namin sa grocery. So mag-grocery haul muna tayo habang busy sila sa paglalaro ng bago nilang toys.
Okay.
So ayan,
Is that button gonna...
isa-isahin na natin ilabas para ma-put away.
You're a
Kasama na yung binili namin sa Kmart. So yung paint ni Kali, bumili siya ng washable paint kasi for yesterday meron siyang 3 toy na pwedeng ipabili. So ang pinili niya ay itong washable paint. Ayan. Tapos yung Bluey Monopoly. So ito yon, ito yung in-unbox nung magkapatid kanina, guys. So yan.
Actually playing it
So Bluey Monopoly, ito yung pangalawa. And yung pangatlo is the Panda Plushie. Nung baby pa kasi si Kali, meron siyang panda na punit-punit na ngayon. Kaya binili siya ng daddy niya ng bagong panda na stuffy. Ito, bumili ako ng, mahilig kasi ako sa mga carbonated drinks. This time, ayaw na ni daddy na nagsusoft drinks ako. So, itatry natin tong Mount Franklin na lightly sparkling. Palamig tayong isa. Tingnan natin kung okay yung lasa. Of course, bumili kami ng patis. Dato puti patis, binili namin ay sa Asian stores. Sinigang mix. 2, bumili kami kasi wala na akong stocks ng siligang mix. Nahilig pa naman sa sabaw yung mga bata. At saka nakakita ko ng ito, po. So, Vietnamese po, noodle soup. Vietnamese noodle soup. May instruction. Try ko. Kasi si daddy mahilig siya sa noodles. Hindi kasi siya masyado makakain ng kanin. So, of course, luya. Chicken. Boneless na pork. Pork mince. So, gawa ulit ako ng Shanghai kasi mahilig si Alex sa Shanghai. Ako mahilig din ako sa lumpiang Shanghai. Yan, bumili na ako ng paper towel. Multivitamin juice. Pamilyang ito na mahilig sa gatas. Meron akong biniling 2 full cream milk sa amin ng mga bata. Tapos isang light para kay daddy kasi lagi kami nagagatas. Black seedless na grapes kasi sabi ni daddy gusto niya ng black seedless na grapes. So eggs, first tinapay kasi yung mga bata may list tinapay. At si Kali, tinapay na lang din sandwich pinapabaon kasi yung mga dati niyang binabaon ng mga fudgy bar, lahat sweet. So, ayan. Sandwich na lang siya. Sugar na ginagamit ko is low GI. Yogurt drink ng mga bagets. Mahilig ako sa cheese whiz sa Pilipinas. Yung binili namin before, vegan na siya. Cream cheese spread pero kulay white. Ito bold, yung isa original. So, try namin to sana. Kasing lasa pa rin siya ng cheese whiz. Of course, Milo. So, instead of ham, so ito naman, para makapaggawa ko ng sandwich si daddy, ito na lang yung ipapalaman ko sa kanya. Yogurt. Si daddy mahilig siya sa yogurt, so ang binibili namin yung zero na added sugar, cooking oil, high protein na chocolate pudding. Ita-try ko to. Creamy and better daw sabi. So, this is strawberries and cream. Sana masarap siya. Mahilig ako sa yogurt sa Pilipinas. Pero nung punta kasi ako dito, may natry akong yogurt tapos hindi siya masarap. Na-trauma na ako, hindi na ako kumain ulit ng yogurt kasi nasayang lang sa'yo. Pero ito mukha naman siyang masarap kasi, ayun no, grabe yung strawberry. Ayan, wipes. Yan. So, kapag mami na kayo, alam nyo, all around na yung ginagamit yung wipes. So, tissue na rin siya, pamunas, lahat na. So, yan. Ito yung binibili ko kasi ito yung pinakasulit sa amin. Kasi nga, gamit na gamit yung wipes. Yun lang yung aming grocery haul for this week. So, maglalaro muna kami ng kids kasi bumili nga ng Monopoly. So, maglalaro daw kaming 4. Ano yan, Alex? What is that? Are you playing now?
Yeah. So we just got started on owning our properties. Yeah. Takeaway. I love takeaway. I'll pay $3.
Parang ikaw yung nag-enjoy, no? Daddy.
Okay, I own the place now.
So, ito pala yung tablet na nabili para kay Kali. Reward niya kasi meron siyang certificate award sa school, meron siyang certificate of merit. So, sabi namin, nare-regaluhan namin siya ng tablet. So, ito na.
Okay. That was so good. Wait for me, Auntie.
Wow.
Can we try with the parents now?